What's up, guys? So in the last video we talked about selecting element by ID and by classes. Okay, so this time around we're going to talk about selecting elements, more elements or all elements. Okay, so I'm just going to go to blank and do a save as real quick. Okay, I'm going to call this all selector, all selectors. Okay, so in the all selector right here sorry about that, I am going to target all elements right there. Okay, so we use the asterisk. Okay, so I could say I could do dot hide function and hide all elements like usual, but in this case I don't want to hide all elements. Okay, I just want to show us more practical way of this. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create a counter real quick. Okay, so if you don't know about this, please just follow and pay attention, and then you get the whole point of this. Okay, so function, I'm going to say okay, so I'll view this on my browser real quick to make sure we are good on this one. So I'm going to go to console. Okay, so the point of this is to actually show us that we could all select all elements on our page using jQuery. Okay, so right here I wrote a function that actually does the counting for us. Okay, so guys, if you don't know about what I did right here, don't bother yourself about it, don't stress about it. I'm going to explain this in subsequent lectures of our course. Okay, so the .each functionality right here would return a console.log of the counter value plus plus. So here I send the counter value to 1 and it's going to find all elements because of the asterisk right here. And if you see on our browser, we have, I think, 9 elements. Okay, so if you do a quick count, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so these are 9 elements. Okay, so if I had something right here and I add another, okay, let me just add another and another, so this is 3 more elements to 9. This would give us 12, I think. Okay, now we have 12 elements right here. Okay, so let's say we want to select elements from a particular div class. So I'm gonna say class, let's say useless class right here. Okay, so we have something like this. So let's see. So I'm gonna say the dot useless class and dot p. Okay, so now we are having useless class and p. Okay, so I'm just gonna reload this and we have 3. Okay, so these are the 1 2 3 elements we have there. Okay, so if we wanted to do more, we could apply some, should I say, use the jQuery CSS functionality to add some styles to it, do a lot of things. The possibility is limitless. Okay, so guys, again, the emphasis or the point I'm laying here is that we could actually select all elements from a particular div class, or we could select all elements on the page. Please forget about this .each functionality if you don't understand it beforehand. Okay, I'm gonna explain it in the next page. I did this for better understanding that we could select more elements. Okay, so when we saw the counter here, 1 2 3 elements which we selected. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate, and I'll see you in the next video.